Hello, hello. This is Alicia,
Dietitian and chef here with a meal planning tip or two or three. So basically having a plan for the your go-to meals and snacks is essential. Because if you just grab one thing, like say fruit, a piece of fruit, or like some people go and grab like a cheese stick, or maybe you slice a piece of cheese off of the block of cheese you have there. That is basically an investment into eating more soon. So you might as well plan to have a balanced snack. So having protein with carbohydrate together so that you get more, like more, you're full. Not full. The just like everybody's definition of full is different, but like satiated to what you need, so you don't have to eat for until you're satiated until you need to eat again. So if you eat a cheese stick or whatever, something very small that's not quite going to hit the spot, you're gonna just eat more. And it's also depending on where you are in terms of your head, like, are you looking for an activity? Are you really hungry? Are you just, sometimes we're not quite settled in what we want to do and we just kind of keep revisiting the kitchen, looking for answers from the kitchen. The kitchen is a wise place, but sometimes not the right place to look for answers. Anyway, so my quick tip for you to have a healthy, balanced snack is some sort of fruit. I have an Asian pear here, which I have cut up, and some peanut butter. So I'll show you. I took I emptied this perfectly new jar of peanut butter into smaller jars so that when I go and serve myself or put some peanut butter on there, I do not get peanut butter all over my hands. And it's easy to use, no big deal. And I could take this amount back when I used to work in person in the office. I could take this smaller amount to work instead of like a big old jar and take up less space in the shared refrigerator. So I'm a big fan of breaking down a regular old-fashioned peanut butter jar or a whatever almond butter or whatever, the larger ones, into something smaller so it feels like it's more doable. Plus, I mix this in a bowl so that the dry bits of peanut butter and the oily bits of peanut butter or nut butter, whatever, because some people are having sunflower butter because they're allergic to peanuts, right? Or whatever. Not everybody likes any one type of nut butter. So I mix the whole jar of peanut butter in a bowl and then I put it in these containers. Makes it a lot easier. So the choice is yours. You could put, some peanut butter in a ramekin and then dip the slices of pear into here. And then, you know what I really like? I like double crunch. Double crunch is super fun. So Asian pear or an apple or whatever crunchy fruit you can think of, crisp fruit. And then these are quinoa crispies by this company called Edison Granary. If you've been watching my channel before, you've seen me share this product with you. So instead of Rice Krispies, it's made out of quinoa, which I think is really cool because there's a little bit more fiber and protein compared to Rice Krispies. It's not like super impressive, but it is a little bit better. And there's no other ingredients in this package, just quinoa. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to put some quinoa crispies in with peanut butter, and then I can just dip and enjoy. Super simple snack, minimal effort, right? And I'll eat this after too. So finding double crunch in any way possible, I think, is going to be really satisfying. And you could do this with raw vegetables and a dip. So you could check out, if you go to YouTube, you could check out my Thai peanut sauce recipe, which is ridiculously easy And let me see if I could share with you. So the Thai peanut sauce recipe is either peanut butter, regular old-fashioned peanut butter, your favorite brand, and then this Trader Joe's salsa authentica, which is one of my favorites. And then I add fresh lime juice, and that makes Thai peanut sauce. And it's 3 ingredients. So regular peanut butter, PB2, which is a powdered peanut butter product. Um, and then this salsa authentica from TJ's, Trader Joe's, and then fresh lime juice. So that's just really easy. And then you can have some crunchy vegetables with that. Red bell pepper. This is me dipping. Red bell pepper, cucumber, jicama, carrots. Yum. That's how you get crunch. So I'm just giving you a couple different recommendations for go-to crunchy snacks instead of chips sometimes. I'm here to plant seeds. I consider myself an idea farmer. So there you go. Take some ideas or take them or leave them. But I really think that if you spend 15 minutes a week strategizing what meals you like, what snacks you like, post them on your refrigerator, and then you'll probably save yourself a lot of hassle from looking in the refrigerator because you already decided for yourself what you like and you want to have for snacks and meals at home. And I'm not saying you're going to eat everything at home all the time. I'm just saying like a little more often would be helpful. I'm just thinking about your future self. Okay, cool. Well, oh, last tip. Anyway, you could put some cinnamon. Cinnamon in the peanut butter could take this snack to a whole other level. Well, that's it from me today, and I hope to see you at my next meal planning session, which is September 17th or 18th from 12 to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're in Central Time, then that would be 2 to 3 p.m. And then the East Coasters, that would be 3 to 4 p.m. And if you want me to have a meal planning session at a different time, different day, you tell me. I want to hear from you. If you want to come to the meal planning session that's live and ask questions to me and be part of an awesome discussion of other meal planning rock stars like yourself, if you choose this path, then please join me and contact me. Let me know that you want another session, or I can consider it. You know what I mean? So cool. Until next time, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video about how meal planning can really help you save time and frustration and being hangry. Take care. This is Alicia Connor signing out. You are your best investment always.